21 years, Big Ass Fans has been the premium name in cooling. And now with the introduction of our infrared and unit heaters, we're the experts in overall year-round comfort.
We also provide the most tools out of any other company in the entire industry. Let's take a look at some of those.
We have custom savings calculators that will allow you to visually see how much you'll save year-round.
We also have SpecLab, which is a proprietary software that places equipment inside of your facility before actually installed to get optimal use out of them.
We have over 180 direct sales representatives available on the phone anytime to ensure that you have consultations for the equipment that you're going to buy.
And a network of certified installers and world-class customer support throughout the lifetime of your product.
Don't just trust Dan and I. Big Ass Fans has the right tools to ensure that you have optimal comfort year-round.